Welcome back to MVP Auto Update Hub, your go-to destination for the latest automotive updates. Today, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2018 Mahindra XUV500, a powerful and stylish SUV that redefined the segment with its refreshed design, improved features, and a more refined engine. If you're an SUV enthusiast or planning to buy a rugged yet premium vehicle, stay with us as we break down everything you need to know about the 2018 Mahindra XUV500. The 2018 Mahindra XUV500 received a significant facelift, making it more aggressive and modern. The front fascia features an imposing chrome-studded grille, which enhances the premium appeal. The headlights have been redesigned with projector lamps and LED daytime running lights, ensuring better illumination and an attractive look. The muscular bumper, fog lamps with chrome accents, and a sculpted bonnet add to its road presence. Moving to the side, the SUV retains its bold stance with flared wheel arches and new 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, available in the higher variants. The strong shoulder lines and roof rails give it a dynamic profile. At the rear, the XUV500 gets new split-tail lamps with LED elements and a sportier tailgate design. The refreshed styling brings a more premium touch while maintaining its rugged DNA. Step inside, and you're greeted with a plush and spacious cabin. Mahindra has upgraded the interior with new quilted tan leather upholstery, giving it a luxurious feel. The dashboard layout remains familiar but now features soft touch materials and a piano black center console for a more upmarket finish. The infotainment system is a 7-inch touchscreen unit with Android Auto and GPS navigation, offering seamless connectivity. However, Apple CarPlay was missing, which some users found disappointing. Comfort is a key highlight of the XUV500, with ample legroom and headroom in all 3 rows. The front seats are well bolstered and now come with power-adjustable options in higher variants. The second row seats offer excellent cushioning, and the third row, while best suited for kids or shorter journeys, still provides decent space compared to some rivals. The large panoramic sunroof in the top variants adds an airy feel to the cabin, making long drives even more enjoyable. Under the hood, Mahindra offered the 2018 XUV500 with both diesel and petrol engine options. The 2.2-liter M-Hawk diesel engine was retuned to produce 155 bhp and 360 Nm of torque, delivering improved performance and refinement. It was available with both a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic transmission, catering to different driving preferences. The petrol variant, powered by a 2.2-liter turbocharged engine, churned out 140 bhp and 320 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The diesel variant, in particular, stood out for its punchy mid-range and smooth power delivery. Mahindra also offered an AWD all-wheel drive option, making the XUV500 a capable performer on rough terrains and challenging road conditions. Fuel efficiency was respectable, with the diesel model delivering around 15 to 16 km/h under real-world conditions, making it a practical choice for long-distance travelers. On the road, the 2018 XUV500 impressed with its comfortable ride quality and high-speed stability. The suspension setup was fine-tuned to absorb bumps effectively, making city driving and highway cruising effortless. The steering, though slightly heavy at low speeds, provided good feedback on highways. The NVH noise, vibration, and harshness levels were significantly improved compared to its predecessor, offering a quieter cabin experience. For enthusiasts, the automatic transmission made urban driving stress-free, while the manual gearbox offered a more engaging drive. The AWD system, in the top-spec diesel variant, ensured confident handling on rough terrains, making it a capable SUV for adventure seekers. The braking performance was adequate, with all 4 wheels equipped with disc brakes and ABS for enhanced safety. Speaking of safety, Mahindra equipped the 2018 XUV500 with essential and advanced features. Dual front airbags were standard across all variants, while higher trims offered up to 6 airbags. Other safety features included ABS with EBD, ESP, Electronic Stability Program, hill hold and hill descent control, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The build quality was sturdy, and the crash protection was decent for its time, making it a secure family SUV. The 2018 XUV500 was available in multiple variants, catering to different budgets and preferences. The base W5 variant provided essential features, while the W7, W9, and W11 variants packed premium features like leather seats, a sunroof, and advanced infotainment options. The AWD variant was offered only in the top-end diesel automatic model. At the time of launch, the pricing ranged from approximately 12.5 lakh rupees to 19.5 lakh rupees ex-showroom, making it a competitive offering against rivals like the Tata Hexa, Jeep Compass, and Hyundai Creta. Now, let's quickly summarize the pros and cons of the 2018 Mahindra XUV500. Pros: bold and premium design with updated styling. Spacious and comfortable cabin with premium upholstery. Powerful and refined diesel engine with AWD capability. Improved ride quality and high-speed stability. Feature-rich infotainment system with navigation and Android Auto. Cons: third row space best suited for kids. No Apple CarPlay support in the infotainment system. Steering could feel heavy in city traffic. Fuel efficiency not the best in its segment. Opening parenthesis. Overall, the 2018 Mahindra XUV500 remained a strong contender in the full-size SUV segment, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and features. Whether you needed a family-friendly SUV or a rugged highway cruiser, the XUV500 delivered on multiple fronts. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto Update Hub for more exciting automotive content. Also, let us know in the comments, would you still consider the 2018 XUV500 as a good option in today's market? See you in the next video.